Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I curl my hair with a wand. So before I get into showing you guys how I do that, I'm going to show you everything that I use. I will link some of the things down below if I can find them. So first of all, I'm going to be using this wand from Remington. I think it's 1.5 inches, I think, but I've had it for probably over a year and it still works perfect, and as you can tell, it's in perfect condition. So this is the wand that I use. And then before I use the wand on my hair, I do use this All Eyes on Me Not Your Mother's 10-in-1 hair perfector. And right now I just have a little bottle, and I use this for heat protectant. Now what I do is, after I get out of the shower, I just dry my hair off with a towel real quick, and then I spray this on it. I spray probably like 4 to 5 squirts on like the bottom half of my hair, because the top of my hair gets oily really quick. So I don't spray this on there because I know it'll get oily. But so I spray this on the bottom half of my hair, and this is amazing and smells really good, and it has 10 different uses. So besides heat protectant, it adds body, detangles, adds shine, protects, moisturizes, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, mends split ends, and creates silkiness. So as you can tell, my hair looks really good. And so yeah, I love this. I use a clip, and you will see in the video that I will clip half of my hair up. This is what I use, just a little plain clip. And I use my hairbrush, and this is just a Conair hairbrush. So yeah. And the last thing that I use is the Suave Max Hold Hairspray in 8. So this is it. You can just get this at Walmart. And that is it. So that's all that I do, or I mean, that's all that I use. So if you like this hairstyle, then keep watching. Alright guys, so that's my hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like videos like this, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed if you are not subscribed already, and hit that bell button so you don't miss an upload. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!